Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt from milk. First, you'll need to heat your milk. Take about 1/2 gallon of whole milk and gently warm it to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This crucial step denatures the milk proteins, creating a thicker yogurt, and also eliminates any competing bacteria. Remember to stir it often to prevent scorching at the bottom of your pot. This ensures a smooth, creamy base for your delicious homemade yogurt. Once your milk reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to cool it down. Bring the temperature to between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This range is ideal for the beneficial bacteria to thrive. Now, gently whisk in about 2 tablespoons of a live active yogurt culture. This starter culture contains the good bacteria that will transform your milk into creamy, tangy yogurt. With your milk cultured, it's time for incubation. Carefully pour the mixture into clean jars or an insulated container. The key here is maintaining a consistent temperature of around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a yogurt maker, an oven with the light on, or a cooler with warm water. Let it incubate for 4 to 8 hours. The longer it sits, the tangier and thicker your yogurt will become. After incubation, your yogurt is almost ready. Place the jars in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This chilling period is essential. It stops the fermentation process and allows the yogurt to firm up beautifully. Once thoroughly chilled, your delicious homemade yogurt is ready to enjoy. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, perfect for breakfast or a healthy snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.